Nature Club for this academic year aims at using only kitchen waste as a source of manure. Similarly, unused tires, milk cans and curd buckets will be used in place of expensive planters. From this year, we have included volunteers from classes 9 to 12 also. I would like to invite the volunteers from classes 9 to 12 students to drop the vegetable peels. Do not drop orange peels, lemon peels, onion and garlic peels into it. Kindly put the peels in a cover and drop it into the bin. It is not a common waste bin. Clean Army, which is also a part of Nature Club, was launched on 1st May 2023 under the guidance of Mrs. Indulekha Suresh by Mrs. Danya. We have 18 enthusiastic and dedicated volunteers who take rounds to make sure the school premises is spick and span. Bins are placed in the school ground and corridors so as to achieve our goal. Every student should take up the responsibility to keep our school clean. Thank you.
Today, I would like to talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This mission is more than just building toilets and cleaning streets. It is about changing our mindset towards cleanliness, hygiene, and sanitation. It is about creating a culture of responsibility and awareness. We have made significant progress building millions of toilets and eliminating open defecation, but there is still more work to be done. We must strive for a clean and healthy India, free from waste and pollution. To achieve this, we need to work together as a nation with common vision. We must not only keep our surroundings clean, but learn to keep them clean. We must pass on the importance of cleanliness to our children and inspire them to be responsible citizens. So I urge you, my fellow Indians, to join me in this mission. Let us work together to build a better, cleaner, and brighter India. A place where we can all be proud of, and a legacy to pass on to the future generations. Jai Hind.
Cleanliness and hygiene is not a matter of instinct, but it is a matter of education. Just now, one of our volunteers from there spoke about it. So it has to be cultivated, and you must have the desire to cultivate in yourself.
Follow every day in your life. It has been reported most often that your classrooms are not kept clean. You might ask me, there are janitors. What for they are employed here for? That is the next question that arises in your mind. No, they are there, of course. But as an individual, it's our responsibility to keep our surroundings clean. At the end of the day, the furniture has to be arranged properly before you leave the class. Don't leave the juice packets under your table. Don't write rubbish on the table. We have our nature club. They are the members of the nature club. They did a lot of hard work last year. Within the limitations, whatever possible, always I could see them taking a lot of interest to come into our garden and did their best. Of course, we got a good lot of produce last year. And this year also, they are with full enthusiasm and they have already started their work. Dreamt of an India which was not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now, it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time towards this. I will devote 100 hours per year, that is 2 hours per week, to do voluntary work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor let others litter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I believe that countries that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow it to happen. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat mission in my villages and towns. I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge which I am taking today. I will make them devote their 100 hours of cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help in making my country clean. Thank you.